Ever enter a trade just before the trend flips? What if trend direction was shown clearly with arrows and color changes? This is the Woody Half Trend Forex trading strategy, a visual trend system built for clear entries and exits. It uses the Woody Half Trend indicator, which changes color and prints arrows to signal trend shifts. Buy setup. Woody Half Trend turns bullish color. An up arrow appears below price. Indicator line moves below candles. Enter a buy at candle close after the arrow. This confirms a new bullish trend. Sell setup. Woody Half Trend turns bearish color. A down arrow appears above price. Indicator line shifts above candles. Enter a sell on candle close after the arrow. This confirms bearish trend reversal. No arrow, no trade. For better accuracy, trade on M15 and higher time frames. Place your stop loss beyond the half trend line and avoid choppy sideways markets. If you want simple visual trend signals without confusion, this strategy works. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free Woody Half Trend indicator and templates and start trading with confidence today.